What are some interesting psychological facts about a man who is in love? 1. They are hunters by nature, so they love to chase the women they love. It makes them feel needed. 2. Feeling needed by the woman he loves is a crucial thing. A man who is in love can't ignore his beloved who asks for his help. He will go to great lengths to save his beloved with all that he has. 3. Please listen to their feelings once in a while, even though you're not that involved. A man who is in love with someone else will be more vulnerable than a woman, and they can be subject to insecurities. 4. It's hard for a man to completely move on from the person he loves. Please note that this feeling is not the same as boredom. Even if the two have broken up, the man will have difficulties in not ignoring the person whom he had fallen in love with. 5. The man's relationship with his parents tells us more about the ways he will love his significant other. Usually, it's about his relationship with his mother, even though, on some occasions, his relationship with his father also counts. 6. Love is a feeling that can make a man weak on the knees of the person he loves. In other words, he can't be confident in doing anything if he feels the person that he loves doesn't support him. 7. Love changes a man to be a better person. It happens virtually every time.